Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and here today I am at My Hip Condo 2, which is right behind Payap University and Big C Extra. Come on in. The total space of this room is 43 square meters, 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Once you walk in here, you have the sink on the right corner, and the left corner you have the electric stove, induction fan and fridge. Right here is the dining area, 1 table, 2 chairs. And here is the living space, very nice. And here is the bedroom, which comes with this big bed, the TV, look at the view there, and also the closet over here. And now, let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is also quite spacious. Have the sink, mirror, shower area, and toilet. And this is the fitness room. It is really nice, have all the essential. And this is the kids' playground. It is really nice. And this is the swimming pool. Look how nice it is. It is really big and really nice. You can feel the breeze. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!